friends, I'm Melanie from melaniecooks.com, and today I'll be making ground turkey and cabbage. This is an easy low-carb dinner. All we need is ground turkey, cabbage, some olive oil for pan frying. You can use any kind of oil. And for seasonings, I'll use salt, black pepper, garlic powder, paprika, and oregano. And you can use seasonings of your choice. So first I'm going to brown ground turkey until it's fully cooked. So I'm just going to put turkey on a non-stick pan. If you'd like to use some oil, you can, but for the turkey on a non-stick, I don't think it's necessary. I'm going to be using the oil for cabbage. So now I turn the heat on high. When it starts sizzling, I'm going to break up the turkey and mix it and reduce the heat to medium high. And meanwhile, while this is heating, I'm going to slice the cabbage. So I already washed this cabbage before making the video. And I'm just going to slice it. So for the turkey, once you hear it sizzling, I'm going to reduce the heat to medium high and just break up this turkey. And mix it. Continue cooking the turkey, stirring every 1 minute until it's fully browned. And meanwhile, I'll get back to slicing the cabbage. So I just store it in this dish here. So it's been about 8 minutes since I put the turkey on the pan, and it's now fully cooked. So it's no longer pink, and I did change the spatula at the end, so the one that touched raw meat doesn't touch the cooked turkey. So the clean spatula. And now I'm going to remove the turkey from the pan, and we're going to set it aside and cook cabbage separately. And now, so here's sliced cabbage, and this is the core of the cabbage, so I just cut all the cabbage around the core, let's discard the core. I'm going to add some olive oil. So about a tablespoon or so, how much or how little you add is totally up to you, just to add some flavor. And let's add the cabbage. So I'm cook the cabbage in some medium-high heat, stirring every 1 minute until it's tender and browned and tender enough to your liking. So now this cabbage has been cooking for about 15 minutes, and it's already nicely browned and tender. And I did reduce the heat to medium when it started browning too much, so that's why you always have to keep an eye on the food, and you can always reduce the heat if it's cooking too quickly. So it's tender. You cook the cabbage until it's tender enough to your liking. And now I'm going to add the cooked ground turkey into the cabbage. And mix everything together. And we'll season it to taste. And now I will season it. So here's salt, black pepper, garlic powder, paprika, and oregano. and mix everything until combined. You can always adjust the seasonings to taste and add more. So just mix for like about 30 seconds or so until the seasonings are combined. And this delicious, easy one-pan dinner is done. So I'm going to turn off the heat. Looks so good. It's so healthy too. Now let's take it off the frying pan. Perfect. This is naturally low carb. It's healthy turkey, healthy cabbage. Doesn't get healthier than that. Now let's try it. So excited about trying it. I love this dish. So delicious. Tender cabbage and moist turkey, perfectly seasoned, go so well together. You will love it. For a free printable recipe and other easy recipes, please visit my website, melaniecooks.com, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!